This home is brought to you by Roxana Shepley. If you would like to learn more about how your home could be listed by Roxana, visit her at www.roxanashepleyrealtor.com or call 478-256-3120. Full brick 4 beds, 3 full bath home. Per seller, TRANE HVAC May 2021 with clear sky purification system January 2022. Open floor plan, extra large primary bedroom west/sitting or office area, large kitchen west/granite counters, vast bar plus vast area, 3 beds on main floor, bonus/bedroom west/full bath upstairs. Coffered ceilings, crown molding, privacy fenced backyard, community playground, zoned veterans high. Seller will give a $2,000 paint, carpet or closing cost allowance with acceptable offer. Kitchen measurements include vast area. Other room measurements are sitting/office area in master bedroom. Seller would like to sell house furnished. Items marked west/blue painter tape are not included west/sale.